Hi everyone and welcome to RaceX Academy, the online platform where you can learn everything about mechanics for motorcycles and cars. I'm Dave, your instructor for today, and in this video I'm going to answer a very annoying question that I'm sure many of you have experienced. Why are my brakes squeaking? Brakes are one of the most important parts of your vehicle, as they allow you to control your speed and stop safely. But brakes can also make some unpleasant noises that can ruin your driving experience and alert you of some potential problems. One of the most common noises that brakes can make is squeaking, which is a high-pitched sound that occurs when you apply your brakes. But what causes your brakes to squeak and how can you fix it? Well, there are several possible reasons why your brakes may squeak, and some of them are more serious than others. Here are some of the most common causes of brake squeaking and what you can do about them. Normal wear and tear. One of the most common and harmless causes of brake squeaking is normal wear and tear of your brake pads and discs. Brake pads are made of friction material that creates friction with the brake discs and slows down your vehicle. Over time, this friction material wears out and becomes thinner, exposing some metal parts that can rub against the brake discs and create a squeaking sound. This is especially noticeable when your brake pads are cold or wet, as they have less grip and more vibration. To fix this problem, you simply need to replace your brake pads with new ones when they reach the minimum thickness recommended by the manufacturer or when they start affecting your braking performance or safety. Glazed brake pads or discs. Another common cause of brake squeaking is glazed brake pads or discs. Glazing is a condition where your brake pads or discs become smooth and shiny due to excessive heat or pressure. This can happen when you brake hard or frequently, especially in high-speed or downhill driving. Glazed brake pads or discs have less friction and more vibration, which can cause a squeaking sound when you apply your brakes. To fix this problem, you need to remove the glaze from your brake pads or discs by sanding them lightly with a fine-grit sandpaper or by using a special brake cleaner product. You also need to avoid braking hard or frequently and let your brakes cool down periodically. Contaminated brake pads or discs. Another possible cause of brake squeaking is contaminated brake pads or discs. Contamination is a condition where your brake pads or discs become dirty or oily due to dust, dirt, grease, water, or other substances. This can happen when you drive in dirty or wet conditions, such as mud, sand, snow, or rain. Contaminated brake pads or discs have less friction and more vibration, which can cause a squeaking sound when you apply your brakes. To fix this problem, you need to clean your brake pads or discs with a soft cloth or a special brake cleaner product. You also need to avoid driving in dirty or wet conditions and keep your vehicle clean and dry. Loose or damaged brake components. Another potential cause of brake squeaking is loose or damaged brake components. Loose or damaged components are parts of your braking system that are not properly secured or aligned, such as calipers, pistons, bolts, clips, or springs. This can happen when you install new brakes incorrectly or when you hit a pothole or a curb. Loose or damaged components can cause your brakes to move or vibrate excessively, which can create a squeaking sound when you apply your brakes. To fix this problem, you need to tighten or replace any loose or damaged components with the correct tools and accessories. You also need to follow the installation instructions carefully and use quality parts. As you can see, there are many reasons why your brakes may squeak, and some of them are more serious than others. That's why at RaceX Academy we offer you a comprehensive course on mechanics for motorcycles and cars, where you can learn everything about braking systems and how to diagnose, fix and prevent any problems with your brakes. If you want to enroll in our course or check out our other courses on topics such as engines,